In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland account. Whether you're checking your balance, paying bills, or setting up transfers, getting into your online banking account is your first step. So let's walk through the process together easily and securely. First, you'll want to head over to the login page for the Royal Bank of Scotland's online banking. This is the central hub where you'll enter your account details. Make sure you're on the correct and secure website, which you can usually identify by a lock symbol next to the URL in your browser. Once you're at the login page, it's time to enter your customer number. You should have received this number when you initially registered for online banking. If you're unsure or can't locate it, check any correspondence you've previously received from RBS or contact their customer service for assistance. It's essentially your unique identifier, so ensure it's entered correctly. After successfully inputting your customer number, the next step is to enter your PIN and password. Your PIN is a 4-digit number you chose when setting up your account. Think of it like the digital key to your bank's vault. Your password, on the other hand, is typically between 6 and 20 characters long, combining letters, numbers, and possibly symbols, which adds an extra layer of security. If you ever forget your password, don't worry, there are usually options to reset it directly from the login page. You might be prompted to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your registered mobile number or email address. This is an additional security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Always make sure your contact information is up to date with the bank to ensure you receive these important codes. Enter the code promptly, as these time-sensitive codes often expire quickly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be accessing your Royal Bank of Scotland account in no time. Be sure to log out when you're done, especially if you're using a shared or public computer to keep your information safe and secure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you encountered any issues or have additional questions, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. Remember, safe banking is happy banking.